Hi, it's Chris.
And I'm Krishna. Remember us?
In 2005, we launched our first tour in Dharavi with a tiny office, no marketing budget, and no idea if anyone would come.
But you did. It turned out you were looking for something real. We wanted to challenge stereotypes and show the energy, creativity, and dignity of this community.
And we promised ourselves, if this worked, we'd give back. We created Reality Gives in 2009 to provide quality education to young people in the very communities we were walking through each day.
I joined Reality Gives to learn English. Now I teach it.
We then expanded our range of tours in Mumbai. And in 2014, we went to Delhi to do the same. But the goal didn't change, to connect you, the travellers, to communities in a respectful, ethical, and meaningful way.
Reality Gives started running English and computer classes in Sanjay Colony in Delhi.
Every tour you take helps educate a child.
That's the power of responsible tourism.
After the pandemic, we realized that rural India needed more support. So, Naujheel Community Center was born. In the last decade, our expertise has expanded to small group multi-day tours throughout India and beyond. Why? We realized that you wanted more than just a day of meaningful travel. These tours aim to show you the must-visit tourist places as well as real places with local guides, homestays, and community visits. Led by myself, we now have a back office team focused just on these tours. And even though we have grown, we still operate with the same attention to detail, ensuring every single aspect of planning your tour is executed with great care.
If anyone out there is looking for a fabulous trip to India, I highly recommend Reality Tours and Travel.
These trips have become the future of reality. Personalised, responsible,
and still rooted in impact. From 2 people to over 100 members of staff. From one slum to dozens of cities. From one tour to over 200,000 travelers.
And through it all, 80% of tour profits, as well as additional donations, have continued to support thousands of students, teachers, and families.
You didn't just see India, you invested in it.
To everyone who's worked for us, traveled with us, donated to us, volunteered with us, supported us, and believed in us, thank you.
And because of your support, we won these awards. You made these 20 years possible, and now we need more of your help. We humbly request that you continue to encourage your friends and family to come to India and see it through our eyes.
Reality Tours, we love Reality Tours. Happy 20th anniversary to very, very special people. We wish you only the best.
You can also follow us on Instagram and YouTube, where we post regular content. Here's to the next 20 years.
And many more journeys together.